Tired of spending hours tweaking listing descriptions, stitching together virtual tours, and begging clients for better photos? Meet the Real Estate Marketing Pack, your new secret weapon. This isn't just another tool, it's a complete overhaul of your workflow with AI driven listing optimization using NLP and SEO scoring, 3D spatial rendering for jaw dropping virtual tours, algorithmic social media content generation with trend prediction, and smart lead capture forms that auto nurture prospects. Whether you're a solo agent juggling 10 listings, a broker managing a team, or a digital marketer trying to stand out in a crowded Zillow feed, this pack turns your biggest headaches into solved problems. Spoiler alert: your for sale signs might start getting more Instagram likes than your vacation photos. Here's what's inside the Real Estate Marketing Pack. First, an AI listing optimizer that analyzes property data and generates SEO rich descriptions with local market comparisons. Second, 3D virtual tour creation tools with automatic spatial mapping and lighting adjustments. Third, a social media suite that creates platform specific content using trend algorithms and buyer persona targeting. Fourth, smart lead capture forms with dynamic question flows and email nurture sequences. Fifth, analytics dashboards tracking engagement heat maps and conversion funnels. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just streamlining your workflow, it's rewriting the rules of real estate marketing. Installing the Real Estate Marketing Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add real estate-marketing pack. That's it. You'll download the entire workflow: listing optimizer, tour builder, content generator, lead tools, and analytics, complete with code templates, benchmark datasets, and implementation checklists. No clunky integrations, no midnight setup sessions. Your biggest challenge will be explaining to clients why your new virtual tours look like they're powered by Tony Stark's AI. Once installed, your next Claude Code session automatically recognizes the pack, and your AI assistant gains specialized knowledge in real estate conversion funnels, property visualization strategies, and hyperlocal market targeting. Welcome to the future of real estate, where your competition doesn't stand a chance.